topic is Introduction of Voice over IP. My name is Kamran Feroz and I'm working in Supertech Incorporation as a CTO. Let's start our topic for today. The slide contents for Introduction of Voice over IP is what is Voice over IP, IP protocol, IP addresses, IP packets, IP routing, TCP protocol, UDP protocol, Voice over IP signaling, when can I consider Voice over IP, PSTN versus Internet, components of Voice over IP, advantages of Voice over IP, disadvantages of Voice over IP. So let's start our first slide, that is what is Voice over IP.